वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। और भाई रूस मत जीजा जी प्लीज।
हम कभी नहीं रूठते, हम always do our perfect.
My bride is a pink paglu. She's going to wear a pink lehenga for sure.
सीरियसली
तुम खुद देखो, ये देखो, है मुझसे कोई स्मार्ट? बता।
I lost my 13 kgs for this. I never believed, I can swear on anybody, I never believed in whole my life कि मैं कभी भी love marriage करूँगा.
honestly at like right now I am feeling that I have manifested this day. At the same time it also feels like a plan that has panned out over a huge span of time.
We met long time back. It's more than 17 years. When we met for the first time, जब हमने हमारे बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स बेसिकली 12th बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स खत्म ही हुए थे and that is when we met.
Because he knew if he would have called me or asked me out on a date before the exams, I would have said no. We kind of met first time in McDonald's. We were only 17 years old, but yeah, it was like a friendship at first.
हमेशा से यही था कि जहाँ भी मेरे पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे I and happily like mean again कि खुशी खुशी I have to accept it and I will accept it. Then I met her. फिर मुझे लव समझ में आया तो रियलाइज हुआ कि यार पेरेंट्स की मान भी लूँगा तो पेरेंट्स भी खुश नहीं रहेंगे, मैं भी खुश नहीं रहूँगा, घर में पता नहीं क्या होगा, वहाँ वो खुश नहीं. So why to complicate things? And then I spoke to my parents about her. Like I'm glad कि यार उनको like obviously खुशी दिखी मेरी, उनको समझ में आया.
And every year my parents and his parents would ask us, okay, is this the year that you guys are getting married? I'm like, yes, I would never say no. Honestly, from starting, I feel like he was meant to come into my life. Not just him, I feel like all the things that it's something that God has planned for me. So we met when we were 17 years old. Things would be good or things would be bad. It does not matter. If you really love somebody, you will end up like taking care of them or be with them.
मौसम में आए जब बहार, मोहे रंग के थोड़े रंग में उल्फत पे मैं जाऊं वार. ओरे साजन रे मोरे
And we actually promised each other that we will make it happen in India. And we've been trying to do that for a long time, and it took us again 17 years for us to bring all our family together here to do our Indian wedding.
सजना तू ही मेरा, तुझ पे जान है निसार, तेरी जो
For that I'm really excited. Like I know he's very emotional and he loves to see me all dressed up.
सजना तू ही मेरा, तुझ पे जान है निसार, तेरी जो कन तू ही मनमीत, गाँव मेरा मल्हार.
I would like to promise him that I will be there for him for the rest, like forever. Whatever happens, I am there. He can count on me. He can feel secure and safe in a way that there is somebody in this world who will be there for him no matter what.
तू ही मेरी ये मंजिल, आरज़ू है हासिल.
सिंपल से सेंटेंस में बोलूँ काइंड ऑफ क्या बेस्ट साला I could ever have.
He is the most special person in my life. Like honestly, I cannot imagine this happening without him. He single-handedly, literally overdid everything that I could not even imagine.
मोरे आंगन में
I can't, like I don't have words to explain how I feel about my mom because she's my mom, right? And like mom is just, it's unconditional.
माँ के लिए डॉटर क्या होती है वो तो शायद रब भी नहीं जान पाया आज तक. उसने यही सोचा होगा कि अगर माँ बनानी है तो बेटी तो बनानी पड़ेगी, अदरवाइज शी विल ऑलवेज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट अस.
तुझ पे जान है निसार, तेरी जो कन तू ही मनमीत, गाँव मेरा मल्हार. सजना तू ही मेरा, तुझ पे जान है निसार, तेरी जो कन तू ही मनमीत, गाँव मेरा मल्हार.
You know, I could dance with him. I promised him that I will dance in your barat. So I'm going to make that promise happen.